Pepsi Sealing Machine. Switch on the machine. Adjust the sealing time using the timer knob based on the pouch's thickness. Align the open edge of the Pepsi pouch flat and even within the sealing area. Firmly press the handle downward to initiate the sealing process. Keep the handle pressed for the set sealing duration to ensure a secure seal. Release the handle and carefully take out the sealed pouch. Check that the seal is airtight and free from any gaps. Place the next pouch and repeat for continuous operation. Ideal for sealing different pouch types, including Pepsi and juice packets. Easy to store, made from high-quality materials for long-term use. Reliable and cost-effective for everyday use. Accommodates various pouch thicknesses for secure results. Your pouch is now sealed and secure.